Guys, today I'm gonna be playing some Slime Blitz from Amazing World of Gumball. Wait, I have to lower the volume. Okay. Super Slime Blitz. Let's start. I played this like a few times. I have Richard right now. Yeah. Okay, my record is 50 something. I know how to play. This game is a tapping game. You have to jump as far as you can, break blocks, and not hit by those slimes, as you can see. And if you get hit by one of those slimes, I'm gonna try to demonstrate. Oh shoot! What the? Okay. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to find out the other. That happens. You die. No, I don't want to play that. Oh, I have the free gift. Let's see what I get from the free gift. I need 100 coins, so I need 30 coins to get a prize from the prize machine. I'm trying to get another kind of gumball. Oh, I like this map. Tap, 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 tappy, 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 tap, 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 tappy, 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 tappy. You gotta tap, you gotta tap. You gotta tap to win the game. You gotta tap. You gotta tap. Oh, that was close. You gotta tap. You gotta tap. You gotta tap, 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 tap. You gotta tap. You gotta tap. You gotta tap, tap, tap super fast. You gotta tap. You gotta tap. You gotta tap, 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 tap. No! Yes, I wanna watch an ad. What am I gonna watch? So I'm watching a black screen. Okay. Okay, we're back. I got another love. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up, up, up. Clearly now we see we're in space. Wait. Okay, go. I wanna go in that. Where am I? Oh yeah, coins, super much coins. Oh yeah, every 200 now I can get a prize. I got so much coins. I'm getting coins. Jump. Oh, when Richard jumps, that's a horrible start. But when the character jumps, like stars come from it. Okay, I'm gonna get a prize from the prize machine. You see, there's ooze, and you need 200 dollars to get it. And there's this snail ooze guy. Now let's see who we got. Yes, I want to get prize. And we get. Who do we get? Daisy. Should I equip it? I'm gonna equip it. Okay. I'm gonna change into Daisy. I have her. Wait, no. Is her name Daisy? NIE. Equip. She is fast. Okay. Ice one. We're going up the mountain. We're going up the mountain. We're going up the mountain, breaking diamond stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I got wings. Run! Oh, that was close. And I has some DDs coming out from her. as you can see. I don't know if you can see. Shoot, I lost. My record is 67. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go again. What a big combo. Oh. Oh my god. I missed. I got hit by a fireball. 21. I need 156 coins to get a prize. I hope you liked the video and subscribe. I hope we can get 100 likes and subscribe. Leave a comment below and bye.